Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco X4 Pro 5G. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And in the box you will find this yellow box here. And if we open this yellow box, we will have here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this and remove it like that. And yeah, by the way, otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter the hole here at the SIM tray, then press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second one or a microSD card. So what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 you can always recognize here on the metal. It is written here SIM 1 or here SIM 2 or the microSD card. No? So it is easy. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. So just place it like this here at SIM 1. So missing corner to missing corner here, and as you can see the contacts are on the top. And if you want to have a second SIM card, you can do that on the other side here. So just take the second SIM card and place it this time like that. Also missing corner on missing corner here. And as you can see, the contacts are also here on the top. But in case, if you want to have an extension for the internal storage, you can place a microSD card here as well, but then you have no space anymore for a second SIM card. So let me remove it up there. So let's place the microSD card here. It well. So could you hear the little click noise? So this is how it looks like then, and also the contacts, as you can see, are on the top as well. Okay, and after you can put your construction back into the phone. The first SIM card is always on the top, so to the display side. Now the first SIM card is to the display side, and close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.